Take the hassle out of selling your house. No repairs, no deep cleaning, no groups of people walking through your home, no commissions, no closing fees. Sell in as-is condition. Close and walk away with the cash when you want to. Now that is a hassle-free property sale. Did you know you can sell your property by using our powerful, experienced investors who pay top dollar? Here's the secret. We are experienced real estate brokers and investors. Let me explain. As a real estate brokers, we know how to price out your property to the highest price in the real estate market today. Flippers guess at the market value, then make a lowball offer to cover their lack of knowledge. As a licensed real estate broker and CREP, certified real estate pricing specialist, I can fairly price your home. Therefore, you will receive a top cash offer for your house. I've been working with frustrated home sellers now for a long time. The quick and easy as-is, no cleanup, no showing, no commission, all cash sale is by far the least hassle sale possible. Our easy 3-step process to get your real estate sold stress-free. 1. Fill out the form for a free property valuation. 2. Receive a no obligation offer. 3. Verify and close the sale. That's how simple it is. Now that is an easy, no hassle, top dollar cash sale for your property. Take the first step and get your free property evaluation now.